Space is the final frontier. For bizarre experiments and questionable decisions, we've sent satellites, astronauts, and even a car out there. But that's just the beginning. Stay tuned, because today we're counting down the 10 most unusual things humans have ever launched into space. In 2001, Pizza Hut decided to go where no pizza had gone before. Literally, they paid $1 million to send a pizza to the International Space Station. The catch? Cosmonauts had to eat it cold. NASA still refuses to confirm if pineapple was involved. This marketing stunt made history as the first officially delivered pizza in space. The cosmonauts reportedly enjoyed the novelty, though the absence of an oven meant it was far from fresh. Either way, it proved that even astronauts crave a slice of comfort food in orbit. Elon Musk's SpaceX launched a Tesla Roadster into orbit in 2018, featuring Starman, a mannequin in a spacesuit jamming out to David Bowie's Space Oddity. It's currently floating through space like the most expensive, lost and found item in history. The Tesla serves no scientific purpose but has become an iconic symbol of commercial space travel. It's expected to orbit the sun for millions of years, potentially confusing future alien civilizations who stumble upon a random sports car in space. Tiny, adorable, and practically indestructible, these microscopic creatures, also known as water bears, hitched a ride on the Israeli Bereshit lander in 2019. After a crash landing on the moon, scientists believe some may have survived. Space bear uprising incoming? Tardigrades can survive extreme conditions, from deep-sea trenches to the vacuum of space. Their resilience makes them prime candidates for studying the possibilities of life beyond Earth, making their accidental lunar arrival an unexpected space experiment. NASA honored Star Wars by sending Luke Skywalker's lightsaber prop from Return of the Jedi to the ISS in 2007. Sadly, no Jedi duels broke out, but we like to believe astronauts at least made the boom boom sounds. The lightsaber spent several months aboard the station before returning to Earth, cementing itself as a piece of space pop culture history. It was later displayed at various sci-fi conventions, proving that space and science fiction are more connected than ever. In 2010, SpaceX had an unusual secret payload aboard their Dragon capsule, a wheel of cheese. It was a tribute to Monty Python, proving that even in the vast emptiness of space, humor is essential. The cheese, kept in a sealed container, had no scientific purpose, but demonstrated the capsule's cargo capabilities. It later returned safely to Earth, though whether anyone dared to taste it remains a mystery. Rocket Lab launched a tiny gnome named Noam Chomsky in 2020. The mission? To test 3D printing in space and possibly to terrorize aliens with tiny garden decor. The gnome was a tribute to the game Half-Life and was made of titanium using advanced manufacturing techniques. It burned up upon re-entry, but its journey was a lighthearted reminder of how space exploration isn't all serious business. Some people don't just dream of reaching the stars, they make it happen. Companies like Celestis offer space burials, launching the ashes of loved ones into orbit. Gene Roddenberry, creator of Star Trek, is one of the honored space travelers. This practice allows people to have a final resting place among the cosmos, fulfilling lifelong dreams of space travel. While most capsules eventually burn up upon re-entry, their brief journey among the stars is a poetic farewell. If it didn't happen on Instagram, did it really happen? Astronauts aboard the ISS have used selfie sticks for the ultimate zero-gravity flex. Proof that even in space, influencers gonna influence. These space selfies offer breathtaking views of Earth and help humanize space travel. They've also played a role in outreach, engaging the public and inspiring future generations of astronauts. In 2018, Rocket Lab sent a giant mirrored sphere called Humanity Star into orbit to reflect sunlight. It was basically an interstellar disco ball, proving that space parties are just a launch away. Though intended as a temporary art piece to inspire humanity, the satellite was criticized by astronomers for interfering with telescopes. It re-entered Earth's atmosphere in 2018, but for a brief time, it was the brightest object in the night sky. And there you have it, 10 of the weirdest things we've ever sent to space. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more spacey shenanigans, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep looking up. See you in space.